T-Class was born out of a project started pa by my father. Noon, very small pa. Yung idea noon was just to have skills training sa mga barangay. Simple pa lang noon yung mga training, masamasahe, manicure, pedicure, gupet, no? Until when Vic came in, he expanded that to more trainings, mas advanced na, IT at lahat. And at the time when I came in, sabi ko, nasuyod naman na yata natin lahat ng barangay. Total of more than 100,000 na po ang nabiyayaan ng mga trainings. Tarlac City now, we have new industries, new businesses coming in. No? We'll have Coke who will do their groundbreaking by September 8 and other industries pa na papasok. Pero pag nakakausap ko po yung mga business owners, may certain skill sets silang hinahanap. And this is where Dole, TESDA comes in, and T-Class para po ma-match po yung employment, no? Gandang tanghali po, mabuhay po tayong lahat, mabuhay ang probinsya at lungsod ng Tarlac.